inabangan ng mga bata ang jump rope pero sa nakalipas na 25 taon, ito ay naging isang ganap na sport kung saan libo-libo mga atleta ang sumasali sa international competition. At syempre, hindi papahuli ang Pilipinas dahil isang national athlete sa jump rope ang ating mga kasama sa araw na ito. Tuwan ako ng ilang basic moves ng jump rope. Makakasama ko isang jump rope national athlete mula sa Philippine Jump Rope Association. He is the champion of most number of double arthurs ng Jump Rope Games 2023. I am with John Vincent Oda. Hi, Vince!
Hello!
Hello, Vince! Kwentuhan mo naman kami. Paano ba nagsimula itong hiling mo sa jump rope? And not a lot of Filipinos know that it's already a sport.
Yeah, so it all started during pandemic. So personally, I started 2021. Pero yung jump rope talaga sa Philippines, nag-start siya ng 2019 nung nag-start si Jump Manila as a brand. And then followed through nung pandemic, 2020, ni Philippine Jump Rope Association. Mas lumaki yung community dahil nga pandemic and wala sila masyadong ginagawa. So yeah, doon nag-start yung jump rope here sa Philippines. So early 2020, meron ng team ang jump rope. Pero personally, nag-start ako 2021 dahil sa isang competition internationally pero virtual lang. So yeah, so nag-start ang Philippine athletes dahil sa competition ng international. Jump rope is a cardio pero hindi siya ordinary cardio lang. So mas enjoyable siya. Dahil you can dance on it, you can do footworks, you can do different tricks, so mas enjoy siya. Hindi lang siya basta workout na nahihirapan ka. You're enjoying and at the same time, mas nagiging healthy ka. Meron tayong different types of rope, so madaming kinds of rope. Pero for beginners, I recommend to use PVC and beaded rope. So discuss ko lang sila. So yung PVC is more on for speed and multiples, while the beaded rope is for releases and wraps. Pero you can do any tricks on these two kinds of rope. Okay, so I have 3. So first is the basic bounce. Yun yung normal na ginagawa natin sa jump rope. Second is the side straddle. So ito kind of footwork siya. And then third is the skiers. So footwork din siya, basic footwork yan. Okay, so magsa-start tayo with the proper rope length. Okay? So yeah, so apakan sa gitna yung rope and then pull it up. Okay, so dapat ang titingnan mo is yung end ng rope. Yung end ng rope should be chest level. Okay, so yung sayo is mas mahaba ng konti. So we can adjust it. Meron siya ditong yan, adjustment. Yan, sige, tulungan kita dun sa isang side. So, yeah. Yan, you can adjust it here. And then, pwede nyo siyang ikot. Or, itali mo siya dito ng isa. So, gawin natin siya parehas. Okay, so, sige, tali mo lang siya one time. Yeah, yeah, so like this. And then, ikot lang. There you go. Yan, okay, so, and then, let's measure it again. There you go. Okay, so chest level, this end of the rope. Okay? Yes. And then, so start tayo with our basic bounce. So, kailangan matutunan muna natin yung tamang starting position. So, lagi ang rope nasa likod. And then, yung hands natin, mag-start siya dito sa may pocket area. So, we don't want na yung kamay natin super wide kasi iikli yung rope. Pag mas malapit siya, mas hahaba yung rope. So, mas matatalo natin siya maayos. Okay, so start from the back. And then, gagawin natin is we're going to rotate the rope. And then, kapag yung rope malapit na sa paa natin, that's the time na mag-jump tayo. So, mauuna yung rotation before jump. Okay, hindi natin sila pagsasabayan. Okay, first is rotate and then jump. Okay, so try it one time. Yes. And then, try naman natin siya ng 5 beses. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good! Okay? And then, yeah, so that's the basic bounce. Okay, so technically, kailangan mo lang rotate mo na yung rope bago mo siya talunan. Hindi natin sila pagsasabayin. Kasi kapag pinagsabay, matitrip tayo. Okay, again, rotate, then jump. Okay, second trick is the side straddle or para siyang jumping jacks with rope. Okay, so first, kailangan lang din natin siyang kailangan muna nating i-rotate yung rope. And then kapag pagka-jump natin, open. And then the second one is close. Okay, so kailangan lang natin siya bilangan ng 1 and 2. So first is the open, 1. And then second, 2, close. Okay, so try natin siya one time muna. Rotate. Then open, then close. Open. Yes. Good. Okay, so try naman natin siya ng mas madami. Okay? So, wag magmamadali. Rotate muna, then jump. Then do the footwork. So, yeah. Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Yes! Nice one. So, the third one is the skiers. Ito, mas madali siya kasi feet together lang tayo. So, we're like doing basic bounce, but side to side. Okay, so we're going to jump right, left, right, left. It doesn't need to be super far. Okay, so kahit konting right, left lang. Okay, so try lang natin siya 2 times. So, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sino pwedeng maging magaling na skipper? Oras, training at creativity ang kailangan para ma-enjoy ang jump rope, libangan man o sa kompetisyon. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang Inside Sports.